could do at home with all the things that you have at home. But before we start, can you do me a little favor? Can you subscribe and click the notification bell so you get every video post? But I'll give you a challenge with your pinky in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, now we're going to do the triple chocolate mug. What you need for this is flour, honey, cocoa powder, baking powder, milk, vanilla, oil, 1 egg, and my secret one, Nutella. Now let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna put the flour. Then we're gonna put the honey. We're gonna put some cocoa powder. You can use whatever cocoa powder you use. After that, we're gonna put the baking powder. Then we're gonna make it. I'm gonna put the milk. Yum. After that, we're gonna put the oil. You like it with the oil. And then we're gonna put our vanilla. And last but not least, it's still not the last one, our egg. Boop. Now we're gonna put our chocolate chips. And now our secret. And now it's time to get it in the microwave. Yum! Ta-da! Now let's put it 1 minute and 30 minutes. Yay! Now the mug is out of the microwave. Let's decorate it. First, we're gonna put meringue powder for decorations. There we go. Now we're gonna put some sprinkles. Some gold sprinkles. Okay guys, time to do the cookies and cream one. You put your flour, your honey, then you mix. After that, you put your cookies, then you put your baking powder while you mix. After you put your baking powder, then we put your milk. You put your milk, then you're gonna put your vanilla. You're gonna put the oil. And last but not least, you put your egg. And then you start mixing. Okay guys, now it's time to put it in the microwave. Yum! 1 minute and 30. Okay guys, so this is how our mug turns out. Now we need to put more cookies and some whipped cream to make this special flavor. And remember, you did this with love and kindness. So let's get started with the decoration. So first of all, we're gonna put our whipped cream. And then we're gonna put some cookies, Oreo cookies, because this is the Oreo mug cake. There you go, that's your mug. let's do our carrot mug. First, we're gonna put our flour on. Then we put the honey, vanilla. We mix. Then we put the milk, oil, and soap. After that, we put the carrots and mix. Now last, the egg. Mix. Now we take it to the microwave. We put it 1 minute and 30 seconds. Start. It ended. Look at it. It's time to decorate our carrot mug. First, I'm gonna put a little bit of some whipped cream, and then we're gonna add some carrots. Oh, hey, time to try our treats. The best thing. I love it. You should try them. They're really good. And see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get every video I post. And don't forget to follow me in TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Please subscribe. Bye. See you next video.